Proof of the Pythagorean Theorem. In this video, we'll prove the Pythagorean Theorem, which states that in a right triangle, the sum of the squares of the two legs equals the square of the hypotenuse. We start with a right triangle ABC, where a C and BC are the legs, and F is the hypotenuse. Drawing an altitude from C to F creates two small right triangles, ACD and BCD. Both a CD and BCD are similar to a BC, meaning their sides are proportional. From similarity, we derive the square of AC equals AD multiplied by OF. The square of BC equals BD multiplied by OF. Adding both equations and factoring out of, we get the sum of the squares of AC and BC equals of multiplied by the sum of AD and BD. Since AD plus BD equals of, we simplify to the sum of the squares of AC and BC equals the square of. This confirms the Pythagorean theorem.